Day 17 of Building Human. If you go back to day 9, I talk a little bit about the question that was floating in my head around how does the internet work? When I signed up for the Google certification, it said that it was a 6-month program, but I knew I was able to finish it a lot quicker, or I was going to be able to, just given I had some extra time, I didn't have an official job, and it was also something that I really wanted to learn. It was like, I knew a little bit about everything, but the real question I was trying to get to is like, how does everything interconnect? Like, how do all of these elements of the internet talk to each other, so then you can then create content, create a website that's SEO friendly, whatever it is, right? Like there's all these different applications to it, but like being able to understand how the plumbing worked, as I called it, is what I was really going after. And every section of the certification was like something I was highly interested in, whether it was like digital marketing strategy, social media, paid campaigns, search engine optimization, e-commerce, like creating a store online and like setting it up the right way so it ranks on Google, stuff like that. Performance tracking, data analytics, like these are all things that like I was highly interested in and wanted to know how they interconnected. So as I mentioned, I finished the program in 4 months. Everything made sense. And it reminded me of my time back at CDW where, you know, the last couple of years I was able to whiteboard a 3-tier data center with my eyes closed and be able to explain like how they all connected to each other and talk to each other. I wanted to have that same acumen from an internet perspective. This certification, along with the previous 5 years of playing with the internet, is ultimately what led me to develop one of the business units within Human, which is Human Digital. Human Digital is where we sell digital marketing services to health and wellness brands. Our biggest value prop is that we help you get in front of your exact ICP, ideal customer profile, in the most effective way. So that could either be through like content creation, making your website more SEO friendly, like all of the different services that we offer. We can understand like where are your pain points and provide a solution to help you from an online standpoint to build your brand. And it all made sense because for the longest time, I was the consumer and still am to a point, but now that I understood how the plumbing worked, I could bring that together and provide real value for these brands.